Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable audio when recording with Game Bar on Windows 11. So first thing to do, you can click on Start icon and then click Settings. Let's jump into the gaming option, and this is the Game Bar. So you can click on Captures. Here we go. If you click this capture a audio when recording game, now you can click. As you can see, this is the settings that you can mute or enable audio when recording game. So in order to disable audio when recording a game, maybe there's a copyright or something that you don't want to output the audio on your records, just turn this off. So no more audio come out when you're recording a game or even a system. So feel free to try to disable this audio when recording a game with Game Bar on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.